जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 254th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Siddhasankalpaya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana. In Vedas, one of the Upanishads, Chandogyopanishad, it says, it praises you as Satyakamaha, Satyasankalpaha. That means you are the one who just by Sankalpa you will be able to achieve everything, you will be able to attain everything. You are only the one who is independent in this entire creation. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Siddhasankalpaya Namaha. Om Siddhasankalpaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana while thinking that we are catching hold the divine feet of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata, when he saw the messengers came from Ayodhya, those messengers addressing Bharata, saying that, "Ho Bharata, the great Brahmarshi Vasishtha Maharshi and all other rishis, they are giving enquiries about you. Ho Bharata, you have to start immediately from here. Ho Bharata, Vasishtha Maharshi gave so many valuable garments and ornaments. You please give these ornaments and garments to the king of this Kekaya kingdom and to your uncle, your father-in-law. Ho Bharata, 20 crores valuable ornaments and garments, you please give that one to king. And another 10 crores valuable ornaments and garments, you give that to your father-in-law." Like that, messengers gave all that treasury to Bharata. Then Bharata gave them to his father-in-law and then the king of the Kekaya. Then Bharata also respected those messengers. Then Bharata is asking those messengers, saying that, "Kachit sukusali raja pita Dasaratho mama." How is my father doing? Kachitcha arogatarame lakshmanecha mahatmani. How is my brothers Rama and Lakshmana doing? Are they keeping their health good? Then Bharata is asking, "Aryacha, very respectable woman, Dharma Nirata, always righteous woman, Dharmajna, the one who knows the detailed tenets of all our righteousness, such great mother, Kausalya Mata, how is she doing? Is she healthy?" Then Bharata asking about Sumitra Devi, how is Sumitra Mata doing? Then finally Bharata is checking about his own mother, saying that Atmakama, oh my dear messengers, the one who always think about herself and the one who always thinks that she is smart, Sada Chandi, the one who is always aggressive, the one who always looks very angry, such my mother Kaikeyi, how is she doing? What did she told you all? Why did you all come here to take me? Like that, Bharata is now kind of anticipating there something might have happened. That is the reason these messengers came here to take him. It's probably his own mother have done something over there. Like that, Bharata is expressing, he is sounding like that. And then all those messengers responding back to Bharata saying that, oh Bharata, everyone is doing good. Those messengers did not specifically mention about every person, but they just collectively said, yes, all are doing good. And also they said, oh Bharata, you please get ready immediately. You are going to become a king now. Come on, get your chariot ready, start immediately. Like that messenger said. But Bharata did not pay a serious attention to the word that they used, you are going to become a king. He did not pay good attention to that. He probably thought maybe it is just casually they said it. So like that, Bharata is now getting ready. What is going to happen next we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 27th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Asankhyeyaha Aprameyatma Visishtaha Sishtakruchuchihi Siddharthaha Siddhasankalpaha Siddhidaha Siddhisadhanaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Siddhasankalpaya Namaha. Om Siddhasankalpaya Namaha. Om Siddhasankalpaya Namaha.